Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? And today, you guys, I have my first unboxing of 2025. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys, so the bag that I got is the Coach Quilted Tabby 33 in black with the black hardware. I put a post up on my community page asking you all which bag I should get, and you all overwhelmingly said this one. It was between this one and the Coach Quilted Tabby backpack. I don't know what it is about that backpack, y'all. I really like it. I really do. But for some reason, I can't seem to purchase that bag. But I got this one, you guys, and I absolutely love, y'all. I don't know what took me so long to get this bag. I did order it from Neiman's, you guys. Neiman's was doing 15% back cash back on Rakuten Girl, so I had to take advantage. But y'all, this bag is so beautiful. What was I waiting on? Why y'all didn't tell me? Y'all, she is freaking stunning. I'm not really going to unwrap her at the moment because y'all know I'm not going to carry her right now. I'm in the process of packing up all this stuff to move, girl. Okay, y'all know it has a pocket in the back. And then, you know, open it up like so. Pocket here in the front. Another big pocket in the back here, the zipper compartment. Y'all seen this 100 times. So you all know that I do have the Coach Tabby 26 in the color maple with the brass hardware. She is stunning. And again, I have yet to carry her as well. But for size reference, you can see all of this right here is, you know, paper. But you see the size comparison between the two. I love it, y'all. I love it. Thank y'all so much for convincing me to get her. Y'all are the best. Y'all are the best. So, all right, you guys, that concludes this unboxing, the first of the year. If you love this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Love it.